Hello all, this is Liji and today we will see sets in Python. Though sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So this is yet another data type we have in Python which are used to store multiple items in a single variable. The items are enclosed within curly braces and separated by commas. So in case of list, it was the square brackets like this. In case of tuples, it was the parenthesis or it was optional, and in case of sets it is the curly braces. Okay, so if a set of items are enclosed within square brackets, it's a list. If it's in a parenthesis or there is no parenthesis, then it is a tuple, and if it's in a curly braces, it is a set. A set is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and unindexed. So set is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. So since it is unindexed, sets are unindexed, that is we cannot assign any index to a set. Okay, so then that is the reason why it is also unordered. So there is no particular order in which a set will be formed. Each time you run the code for a set, it might be forming in a different manner. So that's why sets are known as unordered or and unindexed. Okay, and it is again unchangeable. So once a set is created, it is not changeable. That is, you cannot edit the individual, you cannot change the individual items in the set, but addition and deletion from a set is allowed. Okay, so here the meaning of unchangeable is little different. It is that you cannot change an individual item in a set once it is created, but addition and deletion is allowed in a set. The main use of set is duplicates are not allowed. Okay, and this is what makes it different from, mainly what makes it different from lists. Okay, so in list, tuples and or duplicates are allowed. So suppose you have a set of items in a list and you want to find only the unique items. The easiest way to find is just convert into a set. What set will do is it will eliminate all the duplicate items. It will just hold only the unique items in it. Okay, and as similar to lists and tuples, a set can have any data types. Okay, so let us see an example over here. So here we have a set, say fruits, see curly braces, open curly braces, close curly braces, and we have a list of fruits in it. Okay, so here we have apple, orange, cherry, banana, and mango. So I assign everything to the variable, then I'll just print and see. See, it has only apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange. So there were two apples over here while we created the set. But since it is a set, it will not allow duplicate. So the extra apple is removed. Okay. And similar way, the extra banana. Here there are two bananas. Okay. Extra banana is removed. Okay. Now let us try to access an element in the set using the indexing operator. Okay. So I'm just trying to access the element at 0. See, I got the error. Set object is not subscriptable. That is, it is not indexed, and since it is not indexed, it is unordered. Okay, so it is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Okay, now coming to iteration. So we can use a for loop to iterate through a set for fruit in fruits. So it's similar to any other sequence in Python. We can use a for loop to iterate to the list. But a while loop, we cannot use a while loop because there is no index for a set, and when we are iterating through a while loop, we usually make use of the index to iterate through the elements in a sequence. So since there are no index for a set, we cannot use while loop to iterate through a set. Now coming to the set functions. So the fruits are apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange. Okay. So now let us just try to use the function. So if you see over here, fruits fruits dot tab. These are the functions that are available with sets. So if you take each one of these and check the help of it, you will be able to know what each one of these will be doing. Okay. So otherwise also you will be able to get the document Python documentation online. You from there also you can know the methods in the set. I will update the link in this cell once the video is over. Okay. So fruits dot copy. So what it does, it makes a shallow copy of the set. Okay, existing set, and it will return that. Okay, copy of this existing set, shallow copy of the existing set is created, and it will be returned. So here we are assigning it to another variable. Okay, and let us just see. So we got another set. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange. Okay, now difference. Okay, difference means suppose we have two sets. Here we have two sets. So difference is all the elements in the first set which are not in the set B. Okay, so all the elements in the first set which are not in the set B. So that's what difference in set means. So suppose we have a set named as citrus fruits, then fruits dot difference. Okay, so fruits, we know what are fruits: apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange, and citrus fruits is orange. Okay, so fruits dot difference. Okay, so it means all the elements in fruits which are not in citrus fruits. So citrus fruits is orange, so we should be getting apple, banana, cherry, and mango. We'll just see fruits dot difference. It returned as a new set, means when we are using the function difference, it creates a new set and it returns as that. Okay, so it has removed orange from this fruits. Okay, from the fruit set, and it has created a new set. Okay, so if you check the existing fruits, see it has orange. Okay, so here by using the difference function, it just created a new set. Okay, now suppose you are using fruits difference update. Okay, the method is difference update. Okay, underscore update. If you are doing that, we are not getting any return, which means that no new set is formed. Okay, now let us check fruits. See, fruits is apple, banana, cherry, and mango. Orange is removed. Okay, so it's a difference between fruits and the citrus fruit set. Okay, so when we are using difference update function, what happens is it finds the difference and it updates the existing set. Okay, now intersection. Intersection means two sets. If you have two sets, the common elements of both the sets is intersection. Okay, so fruits dot intersection of citrus fruits, null, because fruits are, what is fruits? Fruit, apple, banana, cherry, and mango, and citrus fruit is orange. So there is no common element in it. Okay. Now suppose I am doing fruits dot intersection of apple and kiwi. Here I am creating another set over here, as you can see. Okay. So fruit dot intersection of apple and kiwi. So I will get apple because apple is common in both the set elements. Okay. Here we again it is creating a new set and it is returning us. Now if I do fruits dot intersection update of apple kiwi, what happens is fruit gets updated. Okay, so fruits gets updated. So what happens, all the common element, okay, common element of fruits and and apple and kiwi is selected, so that is apple. So fruits became apple, so the original set itself is getting updated over here. Okay, so the fruits copy that we have is apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange, which we made an earlier copy of fruits over there. Okay, now, what is a what are disjoint sets? So, if we have two sets with no common element in between, then it is a disjoint set. Okay. So, we are checking here if fruits copy is and fruits are disjoint. Okay. What is it? False, because fruits is having apple and fruits copy again is having apple. Fruits is having apple and fruits copy again is having apple. So it is not a disjoint set, and that's why it is returning as false. Okay, now if some set is the elements of one set is entirely present in element of another set, then it is known as a subset of the other set. Okay, so here all the elements in A is present in B. Okay, so A is a subset of B. So here we are checking, we have fruits as apple and fruits copy as, we have it over here, fruits copy is apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange. So we are checking is fruits is a subset of fruits copy. Yes, true, because apple is present in fruits copy also. Also. Now we are checking if fruits copy is a superset. Superset set means the opposite of subset. Okay. So here we can say A is a subset of B while B is a superset of A. Okay. So that's it. So fruits copy dot superset, it's again true. Okay. Now fruits copy dot pop banana, what happened, it removes a random element from the set. In case of pop in list, what happens is it removes the last element from the list or as per the indents we are supplying over there. But here when we are doing the pop, since there is no indents with sets, it just removes a random element from the set. Okay. Now we'll check fruits copy is apple, cherry, mango and orange. Banana is gone. Okay. Now fruits copy dot remove. Okay. Suppose let me give, okay, let it be banana itself. Okay, fruits copy wrote remove of banana. Okay, see banana is not present, so it throw an error. Okay, now let me make mango over here. So it removes mango. So I'll just execute fruits copy. We'll see its fruits copy is name apple, cherry, and orange only. Okay. Now fruits copy dot discard. Discard means it will remove that element from the set. Okay. So again here I am keeping banana. We know that banana is not present. Okay. So I'm doing that, but it is not throwing an error. So the the difference between remove and discard is that remove will if the element is not present, it will throw an error, but in case of discard, if the element is not present, it doesn't do anything. So fruits copy will remain same, apple, cherry and orange. Suppose it is cherry, I am giving here cherry. What happens is okay, fruits, we don't have it in fruits. I am just using fruits copy over here. Okay, so fruits copy dot discard cherry and cherry is gone, it's apple and orange. Now symmetric difference, the symmetric difference is all the elements which are not common in two sets. Okay, so we have the fruit copy as what's this fruit, current fruit copy is apple and orange, and what are fruit is apple, we have seen that. Okay, so fruit copy dot symmetric difference of citrus fruit is orange, and what is fruits copy, fruits copy is apple and orange. So what the common thing is orange, right? So it will just return as apple because it will return as everything that is not common in between. Okay, now if you do fruits copy dot symmetric difference update, if I am updating it, okay, then what happens, fruits copy will become apple only, it updated the existing element itself. Okay, it didn't create a new thing. Now what is union, union means everything, all the elements in both the sets. So here we are doing fruit copy dot union of citrus field. So fruits copy is apple, again union is sorry, citrus fruit is orange. So let us see what is happening, apple and orange, we got a new set over there. Okay, and fruits copy is not changed, fruits copy remains the same as apple. Okay, so dot union function creates a new set with all the contents of the sets given over there. Okay, and the new existing set will remain as it is. Okay, now fruits dot add means if you want to add some element to a set, then we can use fruits dot add. So fruits dot add of strawberry, so it is added, we'll just print and see whether it is added. Fruits, yes, it is now apple and strawberry. Okay, now fruits copy dot updaters of citrus fruit. Okay, so let us see apple and orange. Okay, so fruits copy is apple and orange. Okay, we are updating it. So orange gets added to apple. Okay, now what's the difference between this update and union? Okay, in case of union, it returns a new set. It is not updating the existing set. In case of update, it updates the existing set. That is the difference. And in case of add, it adds a single item. In case of union and update, it is trying to make a union of two sets. So that is the difference. So today we covered sets, and so set is again another data item which is used to store multiple variables. It is enclosed, all the items are enclosed within curly braces and separated by comma. It is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. So unchangeable means elements once created, means that once created cannot be changed, but addition and deletion is possible. Duplicates are not allowed, so that's the main use of sets. So if you want to remove the eliminate the duplicates from some list or tuple, then we can go for sets. It can have any data types. Okay, so we cannot index it, well, so it will throw an error. We can use for loop, but we cannot use while loop because indexing is again not possible. So when we do with copy, we can create a shallow copy. Difference means all the elements in one set but which are not present in the other. Now difference update means it updates the existing set. So simple difference made, it creates a new set. Okay, now intersection means all the elements that are common to both the sets. Okay, so again intersection creates a new set, but intersection updates the existing set. Okay, disjoint means if there is nothing in common, then the sets are known as disjoint sets. If all the elements of A is present in B, then A is said to be a subset of B and B is said to be a superset of A. So we are checking subset, superset, and disjoint using is disjoint, is subset, and is superset function. Pop will remove any random element. Then remove function will remove the item present in the item specified, but it will throw an error if not present. Discard function will remove the item specified, but if the item is not present, it doesn't do anything, it doesn't throw an error also. Symmetric difference means all those items in two sets which are not common to the sets. So if you are simply using symmetry difference, it won't update the existing set, it will just return a new set. But if you are using symmetric difference update, it updates the existing set. Union means all the elements in both the sets together, it is known as union. Add is it creates a new set in that case, and add means it helps us to add a new item to the set. But update means it adds all the elements in the another set to the current set. Okay, so it updates the existing set over there, it is not creating a new set. Okay, so union and update is working on two sets and add is working on a single element. That's all for today. Thank you all.